Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to check your iPhone's real battery health. The battery percentage in settings isn't always accurate. That number can be easily manipulated to show any value. To see the true battery status, let's open Safari. Search for iPhone battery shortcut. Click the first result, scroll down and select this option. Then tap Open Shortcuts and Add Shortcut. Done. Now go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Analytics and Improvements, tap Analytics. Select this analytics file to see your data. Tap Share. Scroll down and tap Battery Statistics. There. Here you'll find the actual stats on your battery's condition. That's all, folks.